everyone, welcome to Digital Insights, your go-to podcast for media and cyber literacy. I'm your host, Paula. Join us as we explore the digital media, critical thinking, and online safety. And today we will discuss about news literacy with expert journalist Josh. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you for inviting me. Thanks, Paula. Today's news literacy is really crucial in today's digital age. Here are some key takeaways. First is verify sources. Second is look for collaboration. Third is skeptical and check links. Thanks, Josh. Remember, critical thinking is key. Now let's talk with a cyber safety and cybersecurity expert with Miss Winnie.
Protect yourself online. First is use strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Second is enable two-factor authentication as an extra security layer. 3. Because cautious of phishing scams, don't click suspicious links. 4. Skip software updated vulnerabilities.
That's a great tip, Miss Winnie. Thank you for our guests, Miss Winnie and Miss Dash, for joining us and sharing valuable insights. Remember, be wise of using our digital media and be aware on verifying information. Stay safe online and be respectful. Stay digitally literate and join us next time. Thank you for watching.